what in your mind separates the aggressive trial attorney from the fearsome trial attorney? What is it that stands out? What separates the two?
Well, I think those really describe different phenomena, if you will. An aggressive lawyer who is not, really thoughtful about their aggressiveness isn't necessarily fearsome. I mean, somebody who's just aggressive, blindly aggressive, inappropriately aggressive, or aggressive at the wrong times in the wrong circumstances isn't necessarily effective. And that kind of person as an adversary, you wouldn't necessarily fear because they can create problems for themselves. When I think of fearsome, I really think in terms of respect, that an adversary who is feared is one who will find a way to win and a way for you to lose. And that is something that if you're a trial lawyer, you obviously don't want to have happen. And that can be a cause for fear or concern. But it flows from respect, from knowing that your adversary is going to find out, how to make you lose your case. So I think there's a difference between just being aggressive and actually being feared because of what you can do in a courtroom.
It sounds like there's an element of kind of strategy in there, that being fearsome is the ability to take all the different ways, perhaps, that you can be aggressive and tying them together in a strategic way for your client's interests. Is that fair?
I think that's right. I mean, if you understand fearsome in the way that I've described it, that is to say, lawyers who will find a way to win and a way for the adversary to lose, that means they'll use whatever tools are necessary to accomplish that result. But sometimes that's being aggressive. Sometimes that's being highly strategic. I think there's an element of strategy that comes into any case, trying to figure out what is the path to victory and how are you going to get there. That requires strategic thinking and tactical decisions along the way. But yes, I agree. There's an element of strategy in that, in being successful and therefore respected and being feared for what you can do.